First of all, I would like to extend all-hearted our team of Elpizo Hospital. It's a Mar Thoma Church in Kalyan East. Our St. Andrew's Mar Thoma Church this year was planning some outreach program which should be beneficial to the local people of this area. At first came into our mind some medical camp or some medical when we consult with the medical stores, all they were telling about some issues are there. The villagers having some problems. If you conduct some medical camp, it will be more helpful for the local people. So our member Anita ma'am was government health official. When she inquired in the surroundings, she came to know about the Elpizo Hospital and the facilities and all the features of this hospital and about the doctors and the nurses and the staff. When she approached the hospital, wholeheartedly the hospital team also accepted our invitation and came to our church early morning with the whole team and extended such a marvelous medical camp for our, not only for our church members but for the whole villagers. I think many of the villagers got benefit of this medical camp. So I would like to express the whole church members words of gratitude, our thanks to the hospital team and the doctors and medical staffs, nurses and all the health workers. We came to know our hospital is a multi-speciality hospital and extending such kind of medical camp and social outreach programs through medical camps. So we know your hospital is doing such fantastic jobs. So we also got a blessing to experience your services. So we are ever thankful to you all. Once again, thank you so much.